Your feminine energy is your meditation practice will help you with that, right? Because our meditation practice is always bringing us back to who we really are in this physical plane, which for us are feminine essences, right? And then connecting us to God, the universe, spirit, source, whatever you believe in, right? It's always bringing us back to that. It's peeling away the layers that are covering our essence, right? Again, in this case, feminine essence, brilliant, joyful, blissful, creative, inspired, intelligent, easygoing, balanced, all those things. What really matters is your connection with God, with yourself. That's what matters. And then how do I want to have fun here in this human experience? What do I want to do? Do I want to play teacher? Do I want to play orthodontist? Do I want to play lawyer, accountant, millionaire, real estate mogul, retail mogul, whatever the case may be, restaurant owner, entrepreneur, whatever? How do I want to play? Well, I'm here. But that role is not what's most important. That role is not why we're here. We're here to have fun. Life is meant to be fun. Life is meant to be joyful. And life is meant to be felt. We're meant to feel all the feels.